Before you start any project, it is easiest to gather together all of the supplies. For this project, you will need colored paper, scissors, glue, or tape. Now that you have gathered all the materials for this project, let's start. Fold the paper lengthways. And make a sharp seize in the folded edge with your fingertip. Use scissors to cut into the folded edge of the card, stopping about 2 centimeters away from the opposite edge. Make another cut in the same way, about 2 centimeters away from the first one, and repeat until you have done cuts all the way along the card, stopping about 2 centimeters from the end. Now, unfold the card. Roll the card around so the two short edges are together. Now you can see how your lantern will take shape. If you're using glue, put glue down on one of the short sides of the card, making sure the card is right side up. Press the two short sides together firmly so the glue sticks. To give your lantern a handle, cut a strip of card or paper about 2 centimeters wide. Stick the handle across the lantern. You can also cut out shapes or use other materials in designing your paper lantern. In this example, we use circle cutouts to design my very own paper lantern. There you go, your very own Chinese lantern. You can make them in all sizes and colors. Hope you learned something. Thank you.